Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon for notifications. Today we're going to be making a very easy Russian salad. We're going to start off by boiling half a cup of elbow macaroni. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of oil just to prevent the pasta from sticking together. Once the pasta is cooked, about 5 to 7 minutes, you can drain the pasta. Now we're going to make the whipped cream that's going to go inside our Russian salad. I'm taking 1 cup of heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to whip this together. After the cream is done, we're going to grab the rest of our ingredients. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of fruit cocktail, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds, 2 apples, 1 cup of pineapple, and our boiled pasta. Now we're going to take a large bowl and mix everything in together. Now we're going to add the whipped cream. Make sure you mix it with a light hand. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of almond now just to give it a little bit of texture. Now we're going to transfer everything into a serving bowl. As you can see, this was a really quick and easy recipe. I'm just adding a little bit of almonds on top for garnish. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.